common software used in architectural firms. Autodesk AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the most widely used 2D and 3D design software in the architecture industry. It is used for drafting, modeling, and documentation of building plans and details. Autodesk Revit is a 3D modeling software that allows architects to design and collaborate on building projects. It is a building information modeling (BIM) software that helps architects to create and manage construction documentation, including plans, elevations, and SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling software